Hello there! Today we are going to talk about learning inclusiveness. Inclusiveness is a part of social awareness of the core competency of social-emotional learning. Inclusiveness is making sure that everyone, even if they're different, feels welcome and is part of the group. Why is learning about inclusiveness important for children? Because it helps them be kind, respect differences, make friends, be fair, prevent bullying, feel good, and get ready for life outside. How can you tell if a child doesn't feel included? They might play alone, find it hard to make friends, experience bullying, show physical symptoms such as headache, or a change in their behavior. The child often enjoys playing alone, finding comfort in solo activities. For them, making friends is like solving a challenging puzzle, and working with others can feel like a big task. If they have been left out of faced bullies before, it makes them feel a bit excluded. Every now and then, their tummy or head might act up. They've become quieter or more easily upset. Each child shows things in their own way. Let's have a secret chat to discover and solve any worries they have about feeling included. Now, how can parents help children to be more inclusive? Here are some simple ways. Lead by example, spread kindness, share and take turns, use friendly words, make friends with everyone, talk about inclusion, share inclusive books, join in inclusive activities, and encourage questions. Children learn from observing adults, so practice kindness and respect towards everyone, regardless of their differences. Show kids that being kind is like making a friendly and welcoming place for everyone. Explain that sharing toys and taking turns is like making sure everyone gets to join in the fun and play fair. Teach your kids to speak in a way that everyone can easily understand. Let your kids know it's great to have friends from different backgrounds. Share books with characters from all walks of life and stories that are as interesting as a treasure hunt. Give them books that have different kinds of characters and interesting stories. When playing, include everyone in, so no one feels left out. This way, everyone feels like they are part of the group. It's really awesome when you ask questions and learn more about your friends. It's a great way to get to know your buddies better. Keep shining bright, include everyone, and make the world a super awesome place together. If there was a costume parade for everyone, what cool and different outfits do you think people would wear to show who they are? You have friends of different backgrounds. How do you make sure they feel included in your group? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channels to watch more learning videos about how social-emotional learning is important for all of us. Goodbye and see you again next time.